Hello guys, welcome to SR Technologies. Today we are going to discuss another common interview question which is asked in one of the company. The company name is the company name which it's a healthcare company, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Okay, what they have asked, a couple of questions which they have asked. I'll read it out. Okay, the company name is Caslight Apri Health Apri-Health, the Caslet Apri-Health, the company name. I'm not sure of this company, okay, but one of our students has shared a couple of questions with me. Okay, the first thing is which they have asked us, okay, like join question, like table one is having 1 2 0 and null null. These are the questions. This is already have covered as part of our channel. Now, next question is they have asked this question, and we'll discuss further in the coming videos. Now, the question here, very simple question. We have a ID. Okay, you have an employee data. The input table is employee table. You have a ID name, ID as well as employee name, department ID, and salary as well as date of joining. Now, what they wanted, who joined on same day? Who joined on same day? Here, if you observe, right? If you observe, here you see Sai as well as Priya joined the same day to that particular company. Now, how can you fetch this? Okay, how can you fetch this? There are multiple ways you can do that. Very simple. Okay, the way you can do it. Okay, in a generic way, we can go ahead and we can use the self join. How we can do that? Okay, let's prepare the SQL for it. Okay, let's prepare for the SQL for it. Let me see. Okay, let's prepare the SQL for it. So here you see here whatever the data which is there, same thing I have prepared it here. Okay, now you can see here this is the thing. Now what is the expectation which you are looking? The expectation is we want Sai and Priya has to be get it. Okay, how can we do that? Very simple. Select what you want. You want e.id. Okay, comma e.ename. Okay, let's do select start later point of time. We can select the columns. Column selection is very easy. Okay, employee. Okay, employee. Now, what you are checking? What you are checking? Employee, and you are giving a alias table name. Now you can use the join. Okay, simply employee. Now let's take it up here. And then what is the condition which you have to mention? Okay, the date of joining should be same. Okay, the date of joining should be same, but employee is it should not be same. It should not be same. How can we write it up? E1. Okay, whenever you do joining, you have to perform the on. You have to perform the on first. So here, what you are going to do, E1 dot E dot E dot okay, E dot ID, okay, not equals to E1 dot ID. Okay, first thing is you are making sure that okay, employee should not be same. Okay, because you are checking multiple employees. So you are doing that. And then what you are checking? E1 dot date of joining. Date of joining equals to E1 dot date of joining. This is the way you can do that. This is the way you can do that. Once you perform this, what you are getting? You are getting 4 and 1. Now, what you can do, you don't want all the details like from multiple tables. Instead of doing that, okay, what we want, you can go ahead and you can see, if you see, right, ID underscore 1, ename underscore 1. It is selecting from both the tables. Now you want only from single table. Now you can select it simply e.id, comma, e.ename, comma, e.did, okay, department ID, e.doj. That's it. That's it. Very simple. Very simple. Now you can see here, you can observe here, you are going to get these data. Now you, even if you wanted to go with the order, then what you can do? Order by E1 dot I. Okay. If you do, automatically it will come from ascending order, ascending to descend. Ascending order, it will come from smallest to largest. This is the one way to do this particular solution. Okay, another solution, what we can do, very simple. Okay, very simple. Now, if you wanted to identify duplicates, okay, what is the way which you are going to do that? Very simple way you are going to identify using the simplest thing. Okay, select, select. What is the thing you wanted? Select DOJ. Okay, DOJ. Okay, then count of star. Okay, count of star. Here, instead of count of star, what you can do, okay, simply, you can go ahead and you can verify that. You can verify that. What you can do, simply, you can count it. You can remove this count as well. So how can you do that? Select DOJ from employee. Okay, let me show you group by DOJ. Okay, DOJ and count of star. Okay, not on, sorry. Having count of star, having count of star greater than one, greater than one. Let's see whether it will execute or not. Okay, let us see. You can see here what it is happening. So 1st of April, which is having more than one time. Still, I'm not applying this count of star here. Okay, I can go ahead and I can do this way as well. Okay, so you can go ahead and you can see now you are getting the April 1st. So once you get this April 1st on top of it, very simple way, you can do it here. You can perform very simple way. Now, how can you perform? Select. Okay. In a simple subquery, you are going to write select star from employee. Okay, employee, where DOJ in. Okay, where DOJ in. That's it. Okay, if you do this, what it is going to happen? By default, okay, internally you are counting the date of joining who's having more than one match. Okay, so automatically what you are going to get, this is the way you are going to get this one as well. Now, sir, you are giving DOJ is fine. Now, the question here, okay, I want same question which they are asking in a different version. Get me the okay employees who's having same salary, who's having same salary. What is the thing which you are going to change? What is the thing which you are going to change? Here, if you go to here, okay, if you go employee table, you can see here, Hari and Ram is having, okay, Hari and Ram is having same 5,000. Okay, now we wanted to get this. So instead of DOJ, what you are going to apply? You are going to apply simply, you are going to apply here salary. Let me copy paste these queries. Okay, I don't want to change this. Let me copy paste. Okay, what you are going to change here? You are going to change instead of DOJ, and you are going to change salary. Automatically, what you are going to get? Ram Hari, you are going to get it. Now let's see. Let's see the solution. Now you can see Hari and Ram you are getting because I wanted to cover both the things, salary as well as date of joining. Now you can see it is getting. So simply the logic is you are joining same table again. Okay, it's nothing but a self join you are applying and you are making sure employee ID should not be same. E1 e.id not equals to e1.id, which means employee ID should not be same. And at the same time, here you are checking salary should be same. So that whoever having both the salaries are same and employee ID is different, those employees which we are going to get it. It's a very simple thing. Now, sir, how can I do here? Okay, simply you can change the here, sir. Okay, here also, just you are changing the column. Okay, you are changing the column. Okay, here if you change the column, automatically what you are going to get? You are going to get Hari and Ram. This is the way you have to solve this particular solution. And please share and subscribe the channel. I see most of the guys are seeing the channel, but they are not subscribing. Please do subscribe and share the channel with others as well. Thank you, guys.